Hello everyone, I'm Shiraz Ahmed Khan, your host. Viewers, in today's video we are learning two things. First of all, how to join a Google Classroom, and secondly, how to submit or upload assignments to our trainer or teacher. Viewers, before starting the actual business, let me tell you that in order to join Google Classroom, you need to have your Gmail account. So now let's start the proceedings. Open your browser. Click inside the address bar of your browser and type here classroom.google.com and finally press the enter key. Viewers, if you are already not signed in with your Gmail account, then it will prompt you with this screen to choose an account if you have multiple accounts. Otherwise, if you are already signed in, it will simply show you a message that do you want to continue with this account or not. So let's continue with this account, the first one. You just need to click this account. It's requiring a password of your Google account. Type the password and press the enter key or click the next button. It will take you to this screen. Now we are in the Google Classroom homepage, and through this, first of all, we'll join a class. And one thing, viewers, do remember that once you join a class, from the next time onwards, you need not to join that class time and time again. This is the one-time step that you need to perform for the very first time while joining the classroom. Click this button, the icon available on the right top corner of this Google Classroom home screen. Here we have two options. Create class. Create class is basically for those who are your trainers, and join class is for the trainees or for the students. So we are currently joining this class as a trainee or a student. So click the first option, that is join class. Viewers, here it's requiring a class code. Class code, viewers, it has already been shared with you by your trainer and it's already sent to you, and in order to continue you need to type that class code over here. So once that class code is typed, then we'll click the join option. So let's enter the class code for this particular class that is already sent to you. SUQDPMX. Once again, the class code or the passwords, they are always case sensitive, means that if it's given in lowercase you'll have to type it in small letters, and if it's given in uppercase or mixture of both, the point is that you should follow the accurate format of the class code that is already shared with you by your trainer. So once the class code is typed, finally click the join button, and this way we are requesting Google to allow us to join the classroom. So here we are into our classroom, and from the next time onwards you need not to perform this step. From the next time you just straight away go to the classwork and submit your work. So viewers, the first step of today's video is done, that we learned how to join a classroom. Now after joining the classroom, basically the purpose is to share our work with our trainer, and the trainer vice versa, he'll share the assignments with us as well. So now let's see that from where we should we should submit our work. For that purpose, go to the classwork, and before going to the classwork option, the second one thing viewers, please do remember that stream option is to share something with everyone. Basically, you can share anything with your co-workers or with your student fellows, but basically we shouldn't do it. We should just focus on our work to submit our work to our trainer. For that purpose, click the classwork option and look, see a list of your work and its current status. Click got it. Now this assignment, it's basically shared by our trainer and its due date is tomorrow. Now our first step is to view this assignment, and after viewing this assignment you can download this assignment as well into your computers or laptops or your mobile phones. And then after going through the statements of the questions given in that assignment, you will definitely solve that assignment and then you will be in a position to submit your work. So let's see how to download this assignment. Click this assignment to have information about it and click the view assignment button. It will take us to this page from where we can download this assignment onto our machines. So for that purpose, here is the due date is given, the total marks are given, the creator of the assignment, his name, and the few of the things which the trainer has already shared with us, that watch the first two videos and send the answers only. So instructions regarding this assignment. Now it's time to download the assignment. For that purpose, click this assignment. It will be opened automatically in the browser in the PDF format. Now this is one method of just viewing the assignment, but we are basically interested to download this assignment. For that purpose, in order to view the assignment, this is the right way to click over the assignment, and in order to download it, you can just right click onto it and you can choose open link in a new tab. Click this option. Look, the assignment will be opened in a new tab, and here we have the option to download the assignment. And in order to download the assignment, you can just check out this download button or icon. If you click this, and after some time, depending on to the speed of your internet, the assignment will be downloaded here. And in order to view that assignment, you can just click this arrow, click show in folder. It will take you to your computer where that assignment is downloaded. Now you can here view this assignment. Now the assignment is finally downloaded to your system. You can view the assignment, and after viewing the assignment, once it's assignment, because it's already downloaded, now you can close this tab as well. So viewers, we learned the second step, that how to download the assignment onto our systems. Now finally, when the assignment is downloaded, after solving the assignment, now it's the time to upload the assignment. So let's see how can we upload the assignment. In order to upload the assignment, just focus onto this area, click add or create button. It will pop down few options. From these options, the first option is that if your assignment is stored by you on your Google Drive, you can click this option. If it's a link, you can click this. But most of the times we focus onto the third option, that is file. Because after solving the assignment, we usually place it in a file, in a Word. It could be a word process document, it could be a PDF file, it could be a PowerPoint presentation, it could be an Excel file, whatever the nature of the file is. Usually we save our work in our computers, and this is the right option to upload the solved assignment from our systems to this Google Classroom. So for that purpose, click this option. So here we have that screen through which we can upload a single file or more than one files into this classroom as a reply to this particular assignment. You can drag file here, or you can select files from your device. So click this option, select files from your device. it will open this open dialog box, and now you can submit your work by using any of these options. For example, that if in my case the assignment is solved, it's stored on D drive, and in ICT work and in any of these options, suppose if this is the required file, my solved assignment, then you can double click onto it, or you can click this once and you can click the open button. Then I'm double clicking onto it. The assignment is added here, but it's not uploaded yet as a reply to the assigned work. Here two things are important. If the wrong file is added here, you can cancel that file, you can remove that file from this list with the help of this cancel button. Secondly, in order to add more files in reply to this assignment, you can add more files with the help of this button. If you click it, it will show you the same dialog box. You can add more files with the help of this button. So you can repeat this process for as many files as you want, and once all the files are added here, they are not uploaded yet, you can finally click the upload button. Look, now this is basically the assignment that was assigned to us, and this is our reply to that assignment. And finally, do not forget to click this turn in button. This is basically our assignment is uploaded, but it's not sent. Finally click this turn in button. Look, two attachments will be submitted for assignment 1, video 1, and turn in. And look, the final submission is done. Moreover, along with this assignment, you can add private comments to your trainer or teacher with the help of this button. So viewers, I hope this video will help you in order to perform two steps, in order to join the Google Classroom and in order to submit your work in your classroom to your trainer. Do not forget to like the video and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video. Goodbye.